Alright, I've got a couple of Nissan Altima engines, 2.5 liters here, basically the same for the Rogue. There's a little bit of differences, but I'm going to be having to swap this flex plate over here over to this engine here on the left, so this is a good opportunity to show you replacing the flex plate here and the tool we're going to be using. Okay, so we've got an E20 E-Torx, but it's not your just ordinary E-Torx. This is a special made, kind of this low profile E-Torx, where the other ones are much more chamfered, I guess you could say, and they won't work. So you have to order these, I guess, unless you can find one somewhere in the parts store. I had to order this, and it's a 3/8 drive. We're going to go ahead work on removing these here. I stand corrected, it's a 1/2-inch drive. Alright, so we're going to use this 19 to hold the crank. It's just a serpentine belt tool. Got a 19 millimeter. Just set up here. And it'll just wedge itself against the floor here and hold it for us. Alright, so not too bad. All right, we'll go ahead and get this set on here. Make sure those are lining up. Already wiped that off. So, like I said, there's the bolt. Now I want to show you a normal E20. This chrome one, and you can see the difference. So if you try to use this, you're just going to strip them out. So you'll have to get yourself one of these. Alright, we're going to take us a little bit of medium Loctite, put on these. Now I couldn't tell you how tight these were factory, but they were tight. And this would be the same process having to remove this if you're having to do this rear seal here. And got the same setup holding the crank. I just had to move it over here to this other side. And I'm just going to try to snug these down a little bit at first in somewhat of a star pattern. Right, I'm going to be torquing these down to 45 foot-pounds. Like I said, I'm just going to kind of do somewhat of a star pattern here. Alright, so that's going to do it on swapping this flex plate, and using this special tool. So the special E20, I'll leave a link to where you can get this. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.